I'd like to take a look at our F chord and kind of do a deep dive on this if I can. This is something that frightens a lot of beginning students, and I understand that. Let's take a quick peek. Technically speaking, an F chord really is only 3 notes. It's these 3 right here where we would have on the 4th string, the 3rd string, and the 2nd string. The X's over here just indicate that we're not supposed to play those strings. If we do, it doesn't sound very good. So the problem with this is that although it's technically correct, it's not very practical. It's hard to strum and get a good sound with this in the middle of a song. So what we do here is we take those 3 and we add to that 1 more. And we do that by getting those 3, and I'm just going to flop my finger down like that. And as I do so, now I can strum this a little easier and get a much better sound, a much cleaner sound. By flopping that down, we refer to that as a bar chord. That means that I am pushing down multiple strings with a single finger. And that's called a bar or bar chord. Like that. So the 4-string chord that we just played is the chord that you most likely see in sheet music and in books in general. But the most complete chord, and in my opinion, the best sounding chord, is this one right here that includes 2 extra notes. Now I know you don't have 6 fingers, so what we do is we use the 3rd finger on the 5th string, the pinky on the 4th string, the middle finger will go on the 3rd string like this, and then I take my 1st finger and I push down or pull down all of the strings at the 1st fret. Now I do that by keeping that finger straight, and I use the side of the finger, not the flat part of the finger. I roll over on the side like this. And the other thing that I do is I put my fingers in place, and then I pull. Instead of pushing with my hand, squeezing, I just put the fingers on there quite lightly, and then use my arm to pull. In my opinion, this sounds better than this, which sounds better than that. So that's my take on the dreaded F chord. I hope this helps. Let me know.